Hi, so to continue, this is the toe alignment using the CSM hub stands and some strings. I haven't quite got the hang of the lasers yet, but I know how to do string alignment. I used to do it with a frame that attached to the front and the back of the car, but this is also a pretty good alternative. Um, so everything is parallel strings and equidistant off all hubs. Not the same front and back. It's different track, but left to right, driver to passenger. Steering wheel is locked. I'm going to give you some links to these different tools that I'm using. That's a pretty nice tool. I'm really happy with that um, on Amazon. And whatever else I can remember that I used uh, for tools for this job. I'm going underneath and start changing toe. I got to write down these numbers. So before I got hub stands, I used to have to go underneath the car and try to not disturb the strings. I don't even remember how I did that. And see that nut right in the middle. Loosen that nut and then take some turns on the bar that adjusts steering. And now I think I can just reach in. The adjustment's going to be on the passenger side, and reach in and try that. This is what I use to get to the jam nut. All right. Maybe it's not ideal, but I can't get under there when the car is at normal driving level, which it pretty much is. It's up a little bit high. I put it high on the hub stands, but still I can't get under there, but I can reach in. So the torque spec on that is 44. Whoops, there. Right in the middle of the screen, that jam nut is 44. So, cheating a little bit with this. The rear looks a little easier to get to. Not as much overhang and a little higher, of course, on the rear clip than the front clip. But I think I'll try to go in from the side like I did on the front. See if I can break it loose.